Okay guys, thanks for joining Shuby Bikes again today. Just taking a quick look at my bikes here. As you can see, we got that my favorite of all P&W grips and range bar, and it looks like the rainbow of colors here. We got the nice turquoise color there, we got the purple, and we got the orange, looking real sharp. So I guess I wanted to show this just so everybody can kind of see the size comparison. This is the new Ledge X1 next to my Hyper Hydroforms, and those are both 29ers, and the Ledge X1 is a 27.5, but you can definitely see the difference in the stack height. You can see just by how high the handlebars are. You know, I know the wheels and the fork make a difference too, but the 29ers definitely sit up a lot higher. And I know the X2 version of this bike is going to be with 29-inch wheels, and that will change it. And I believe I'm going to throw those wheels on there also, just to kind of get a comparison and see how it stacks up with the 29-inch wheels on there. I haven't really done a lot as far as reviews on this bike and building it. I do have some video, I haven't put it together. I just got pretty excited about the launch of the Mongoose Ledge X1 over there and kind of put this one on the back burner. And I have somebody that I believe is interested in buying this bike from me, so it may be going to a new home. Not sure yet, but we'll see. So I'm probably going to focus more of my attention on putting some more upgrades and some changes on this bike here, as it's a great bike to work on, upgrade. It's actually fantastic out of the box. I think it's one of the best ever from Walmart. I really enjoyed riding it so far. One thing I know I'm going to change is these range bars come standard 780 width, and I really like the width of the stock bars on the Ledge, and I believe I'm going to cut these down to the same width. I think they're 740s. I'll have to double check that, but I don't know, they just felt right on the smaller bike. The weight of those handlebars though, on the other hand, they are extremely heavy. I mean, they are oversized and overweight. So I changed those out. These range bars are much lighter. I'll have to put the official specs on there and show you the difference in weight, but I like these bars better, but I do believe I'm going to change the width on this little bit smaller bike, 27.5, because I enjoyed that width of handlebars. I believe I'm going to leave it the same on these. The width just seems to fit the bigger 29-inch bike for me. Just feels more comfortable. And also did make a change down here, you guys may have noticed. I did upgrade the crankset on here, and I'm going to go over that in more detail here soon. It's called a Funo Ghost, I believe. It's a pretty cool crankset. It's more of the GXP style, where the chainring is more of a direct mount to the back of the crank arm itself. And I did put my favorite Rock Bro pedals on this also. So that's just kind of a quick update of what's going on here with the bikes, and look for some more upgrades here shortly, as we're going to start working on this one today and put some new brakes and different things on it. So thanks for joining me today, guys, and get out there and ride.